we're up, we're clean, we've worked out, we're dressed. Of course, now it's time to go and have breakfast and then start planning our day. I've had breakfast and I made a to-do list, and now I'm going to need my phone to airdrop the footage from the vlog. I have coaching sessions in a bit, but I'm just trying to get the vlog on point as much as I can. I already have the pictures that Orion took for the thumbnail, so hopefully I can get all the footage in iMovie and edit the thumbnail photos before I have my sessions. So these are the photos that we took. I think we have some good ones for the thumbnail, and these are unedited, and this is the bird that we saw, so that one I think I want to put in the vlog. This is also for the thumbnail, but I definitely need to do some editing. As you can see, the lighting isn't very good yet, but I'll show you when they're edited how they're looking. I have 30 minutes, so I said I'm going to set a 30-minute timer. All the footage is in iMovie, so that's done. I've edited one of the pictures, and this is what it was originally. This is what it is now. So for a thumbnail, it's just a lot more lit up. I made it a lot sharper, more texture. I put in a lot of blacks. I upped the contrast a lot, and I put a little bit of vibrance, but not too much. It's especially when it's going to be like really small for a thumbnail. This is going to be a lot better than this, see? And now I can copy the edit settings here and paste that to the other two. This isn't one of my presets. I could make it one, but this is a very specific type of preset, of course, because this picture was lit way too much, but I guess I could make it into a preset. Maybe I could call it like sharp. Okay, this is going to be one of our presets, and now I'm going to have a look at the other pictures. I also put on a calming ambience because I'm just a little bit tired and stuff, and I just want to put myself in a good mood. So if you're not in a good mood, that's totally fine, but just kind of feel what you need. And I just felt like looking at a calming river, but I'm at work, so this will have to do, and it's working. This one I think shows the biggest difference. So the original was like this because the sun was going down, so there's a really high contrast between what you see and what you don't. And then when you light it up, you still have that effect of the sunlight on the face, like the golden hour, but the picture is a lot more easy on the eyes. The colors pop more, it's more vibey. I'm feeling pretty good about this one as well. I did this one from scratch too. I have a few different options, so I'll see. Now I'm just going to export the pictures that I want to possibly use for a thumbnail, and if I have time, upload them in Canva and then When I'm done with my sessions, I will edit a thumbnail and see if I need more photos or if this is enough. And if it's enough, I can finalize it. If I have trouble with deciding, I might upload to Instagram stories to let people vote. So that's always really helpful to see what people respond to. So yeah, we have about 10 minutes. Let's make it count. Mock-up thumbnail. It's nowhere near where I want it to be, but it's always good to have something to start because then you can edit. I'm just going to get another drink and get ready for my sessions. See you afterwards. After I finished coaching sessions, I felt like taking a walk in a park. It's kind of been my new meditation because how I want to feel for meditation, I feel when I'm in nature. So I went to the park and then afterwards I got some groceries for lunch. So I'm going to prepare myself a lunch and then afterwards go on with the rest of my day and get to work. That salad was so good. I've never made a mozzarella salad myself. It was just really good. It was exactly what I needed. And my walk was so good. I just let my intuition guide me to where I needed to walk, and I walked a little bit of a different street than normal because I went to the supermarket also in a park. But then when I started walking back, I took a different street and then I found this bench to sit on by the water, and now it was like the perfect sunny spot and not so much in the wind because the wind has been really cold, and I just had like such a good day. I feel so recharged to take on the rest of the day. After sessions, you want to kind of like let go of the energy of other people and kind of center in your own energy. And now I'm like excited and motivated. It's going well. Now I'm just gonna look at my to-do list. I'm watching a vlog and kind of relaxing a little bit as a break. And then during this vlog, I'm going to look at the rest of my afternoon and maybe move some things around. I'm planning to work on some short form content and I might do some stories as well, so I'm going to need my phone for that, which is also what I film everything on, but we'll see. Watching The Holiday and I put a cake in the oven, so now I'm just gonna keep watching The Holiday and the cake will be done in about an hour, so it will be the perfect dessert for Arjan because he loves cake. supermarket to get some veggie burger for me. For Arjan, I made the same salad that I had for lunch for dinner for him because it was just so good. But obviously I didn't want to eat the same thing again. So I'm just baking a burger, and Arjan loved the cake, and I texted my dad. My dad is gonna come over very soon because he loves cake as well. Everybody's happy. We're just gonna enjoy our evening, and I'll see you next time.